Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the word Allah, its origin, and its significance in Islam. What is the meaning of Allah? Allah is the Arabic word for God, and it is used by Muslims and Arabic-speaking Christians and Jews as well. The term Allah is a contraction of the Arabic words al-ilah, which means the God or the deity. The word ilah in Arabic refers to any object of worship, whether it be a physical object or an abstract concept, but when preceded by the definite article al, it refers specifically to the one and only God of monotheism. Before going further, please give our video a thumbs up and subscribe if you find this video useful. It will inspire us to create more videos like this. The use of the word Allah as a name for God predates Islam, and it was already in use by the Arabic-speaking peoples of the Arabian Peninsula before the advent of Islam. However, it was the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who established the exclusive use of the term Allah to refer to the one and only God of monotheism. And this usage has since become a defining characteristic of Islamic theology and practice. Today, Allah is widely recognized as the name of God in Arabic-speaking countries and Muslim communities around the world. What is the origin of the word Allah? The use of the word Allah as a name for God predates Islam, and it was already in use by the Arabic-speaking peoples of the Arabian Peninsula before the advent of Islam. The word Allah appears in pre-Islamic Arabic poetry and inscriptions, and it was also used by Arabic-speaking Christians and Jews to refer to the God of monotheism. However, for Muslims, Allah is not just a name, but it is a unique title that describes the one and only God of the universe, who created everything and everyone. In Islam, Allah is the most commonly used name for God and is mentioned in the Quran, which is the holy book of Islam, over 2,500 times. Muslims believe that Allah is the same God who is worshipped by Jews and Christians, but in a different language. We Muslims believe that Allah is the ultimate and absolute reality, and that everything else in the universe is dependent on Him. Muslims also believe that Allah has 99 names or attributes that describe His nature, such as the merciful, the compassionate, the all-knowing, and the all-powerful. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel to encourage us to make more videos like this about the beauty of Islam. May Allah bless us all.